Lab 10, we're going to model this component right here for the steam engine. That's our air motor cylinder block. So let's get started with that. We're going to go into Solidworks and we're going to start a new file. Let's go with plain white. Let's check our documents, settings. We'll go with ANSI. Units will be inches. And we'll start a sketch on the top plane. So we have this 1-inch square by 2¼ air motor cylinder block. And we're going to start off by modeling the 1 by 1-inch square shape on the top plane. And so we'll start off with a center rectangle. We'll add our smart dimensions to that. And we'll extrude that 2.25 inches. Green check mark. Alrighty, so we have to then create this 0.625 by 1.344 deep hole for the piston. We'll flip it over, select this face, sketch, spacebar, normal 2, and we'll draw a circle. .625 diameter. And then we'll extrude cut that at a depth of 1.344. Green check mark. Spacebar, isometric view. Alright, so we have to place this hole right here, which would be the intake or the exhaust port. It functions the same way, and that's going to be located 1 inch from the top and right on center. And we're also going to have another hole that goes all the way through. And so since these are two different depths, we'll model them in two different sketches. So on this side here, we'll start a sketch and we'll make this that through hole that goes all the way through. We'll start off with a center line. And then we'll create a letter V size hole. And that's going to be 0.377. And we'll locate that a half an inch from the top. And then we'll extrude cut that through all. Alright, so we've got two of our features. We have one more left. We need to add the intake and exhaust port. And I'm going to put that on the opposite side, just from a standpoint of I like to model things the way they would be when we put that together. And so when I'm modeling, I put the hole on this side, and then on the back side of this I'm going to put the hole for the intake and the exhaust port, which will then line up with these 2 points. And so that's going to be a 0.156, half an inch deep. Select the sketch plane, spacebar, normal 2. And this is right in the center, so we can put a center line. And then we'll put our 0.156 diameter hole on that center line. And we'll locate that 1 inch from the top. And then we'll extrude cut that. A depth of half an inch. We'll take a look and see if that looks right. More than enough. Alright, so we have everything created for the air motor cylinder block. We're going to save this file, and that ends this recording. So we'll save that. Again, we want to save them to the same directories as the other ones. And that completes this video.